Question number 5 is fx is equal to e to the power root over tan x. So fx plus h is equal to e to the power root over tan x plus h. I hope you can understand this. So quickly let me explain. Dy by dx can be written fx plus h minus fx, that is this one minus this, divided by h over here. Now e to the power root over tan x is taken common, so that it becomes e to the power root over tan x plus h divided by e to the power tan x minus 1. Now this whole thing you see in the formula of a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that can be written a to the power m minus n. That means e to the power root over tan x plus h minus root over tan x, and this minus 1 is coming over here. H is written over here, e to the power root tan x is written as it is. Now finally what we have done is with this quantity we have divided and then multiplied over here. I hope you understand this. So finally what is happening, we are actually doing this exercise just in order to use the formula limit x tending to 0 e to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to 1. In the limit chapter you go through, you will find this formula. So this whole thing becomes 1, which is what I have written over here, e to the power root over tan x as it is written, and this thing divided by h is written over here. Now we are rationalizing this whole thing by multiplying this whole thing, root over tan x plus h plus root over tan x, and h same thing is multiplied in the denominator also, same thing, so that it comes in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So finally this whole thing will become, means in the numerator this will become a square minus b square using the formula tan x plus h minus tan x. Then we have broken it in the form of sine by cos, that is what I have written here, and this one. So then LCM is taken. After taking LCM, this numerator becomes sin x plus h into cos x, sin x into cos x plus h, which is in the form of sin a into cos b minus sin b into cos a. So this is what I have written, sin a minus b, x are getting cancelled, and sin h divided by h, limit h tending to 0 will become 1, which is what I have written, and this h not this h, this cos x plus h, cos x into this whole thing is written as it is over here. Then limit h tending to 0 will make this whole thing as cos square x, e to the power root over tan x remains as it is, and h tending to 0, then this becomes root over tan x plus root over tan x, that is equal to 2 root tan x. So finally this 1 by cos square x is written as sec square x, this e to the power root tan x is written as it is, and 1 divided by 2 root over tan x is written over here. I think you can understand. Thank you.